Welcome to my channel, Success Motivation Q, where we bring you inspiring success stories of
Ravi sat on a cold pavement, watching people pass by. Some looked at him with pity, others ignored him. He had nothing, no money, no home, and no family to support him. At just 18 years old, life had already thrown him into the depths of struggle. His parents had passed away in an accident, and his relatives refused to help. With nowhere to go, he wandered the streets, sleeping at bus stops and eating whatever he could find. But Ravi had one thing: determination. He knew that if he wanted a better life, he had to fight for it. He started looking for jobs, but no one wanted to hire a homeless boy with no experience. Days turned into weeks, and hunger became his constant companion. One evening, as he sat outside a small restaurant, the owner, an elderly man named Emma Sharma, noticed him. Instead of chasing him away like others did, he offered Ravi a meal. "You remind me of my younger self," Emma Sharma said. "You are willing to work hard. I can give you a job." Ravi's eyes filled with tears. It was a small job, cleaning tables and washing dishes, but for him, it was a new beginning. He worked tirelessly, never complaining. In his free time, he observed how the restaurant operated. He asked questions, learned about business, and even started helping in the kitchen. Years passed, and Ravi's dedication didn't go unnoticed. Sharma promoted him to manager. Ravi saved every rupee he earned and took evening classes to study business. His dream was to start his own restaurant one day. When Emma Sharma retired, he saw Ravi as more than just an employee. He saw a son. He decided to sell the restaurant to Ravi at a low price, trusting that he would take good care of it. With all his savings and a small loan, Ravi became the owner of the very place where he had once washed dishes. But he didn't stop there. He expanded the restaurant, introduced new dishes, and focused on excellent customer service. His business flourished, and soon, he opened more branches across the city. What started as a small roadside eatery turned into a well-known restaurant chain. Years later, when a journalist asked him about his journey, Ravi smiled and said, "I had nothing, but I never lost hope." Success is not about where you start, but how determined you are to reach your destination.